Hello and welcome to Quick Tips 2. Today I'm going to unbox, set up, test and review the GVM Smart LED Photography Lighting Kit. Hopefully this video will help you explore its capabilities for a better buying decision. As you can see, the kit comes in a nice durable professional case. The case is anti-collision and anti-pressure, ensuring everything inside it is safe when travelling and moving around. Now let's explore it from the inside. Inside the bag, you get a box with 2 power adapters and cables inside, 2 light stands, the product manual, a quality certificate, and 2 LED video lights with 2 diffusers inside. Now let's have a close look at the LED video lights. The body is made of aluminium. It has an adjustable U-mount bracket enabling you to adjust the light to your preferred angle. Now let's open the flaps. Each video light has 560 LED beads enabling you to restore the true colour. Each video light has a soft diffuser which can be used to balance your lighting effects. Now let's have a look at the back of the video lights. Here you have your display and controls. The knob on the left is used to change the colour corrected temperature from 2300K to 6800K. The knob on the right is used to control the intensity. The adapter input is on the left-hand side. You also have 2 slots for batteries. The batteries are not provided with the kit, but you can buy them separately. This can be useful if you shoot external videos and you don't have access to the mains. You also have the on-off button, with the option to switch between the battery and the adapter. You also have a Wi-Fi reset button. This video light can also be controlled with your phone using the GVM Easily app, which I will show you later in the video. Now let's set it up. First let's open the light stand. The top 3 screws are used to extend the stand to your desired length. Simply unscrew each screw and pull out the rod to extend its length as shown. To position the stand, unscrew the screw on the bracket. Pull the legs out one by one, then push down the bracket to widen the legs. Then retighten the screw. Finally, connect the video light to the top of the stand and use the screw to secure it. Now, to adjust the angle of the video lights, unscrew the screws on the sides, adjust the angle, then tighten the screws again. Finally, connect the adapter and power it on. Now let's test it. As you can see, I can easily adjust the color temperature using the dial on the left. I can also tune the brightness using the dial on the right. I can also control the lights using the GVM Easily app on my phone, so I can turn it off and on. I can also adjust the color temperature and the brightness. Please note that the app only allows you to control each video light individually. To control your second video light, you will need to switch Wi-Fi. Watch the video that will appear on the card above to learn how to set up and control your 2 smart video lights using the GVM Easily app. This professional kit can be used for a studio setup or for external shooting if you have the batteries. It's great for photographers, videographers and YouTubers. Setting it up is very quick and easy. The stand is very stable and the durable bag makes it really handy when travelling. The brightness of the light is really great, especially when shooting in dark locations. The app allows you to control the lights remotely. If you have any questions about this product, please leave a comment below this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get the latest tips and reviews on the latest technologies. With Quick Tips 2, knowledge has no limits.